The Chevrolet Camaro has always been a symbol of American muscle, with aggressive styling and impressive performance. But when the sixth generation debuted in 2016, it brought something new: the Alpha platform. While this platform brought modern technology, sharper handling, and lighter weight to the Camaro, it also introduced a set of problems that have plagued some models. In today's video, we'll break down the common issues owners face with the Chevrolet Camaro on the Alpha platform. Whether you're considering buying one or already own one, let's look at what could go wrong and what you need to watch out for. 10. Engine misfires and performance issues. One of the most reported problems with the Camaro's Alpha platform is engine misfires. This issue tends to affect the V6 and V8 engines, especially those in early models. Owners have reported rough idling, loss of power, and even stalling when the engine misfires. The root cause is often faulty ignition coils or spark plugs, but in some cases, fuel injectors or issues within the engine control module (ECM) can contribute to poor performance. If you notice reduced acceleration or a jerky engine, it's important to have the ignition system inspected. Proactively replacing spark plugs and coils can help prevent this issue from escalating. 9. Transmission problems. The Camaro's 8-speed automatic and 6-speed manual transmissions, while offering excellent performance, have not been without their issues. Some owners report transmission hesitation, where the car takes longer than expected to shift gears. In some cases, this is due to software glitches in the transmission control module (TCM), while others face problems with the clutch in manual models, leading to inconsistent engagement or slipping. For automatic transmission models, rough shifting or jerky transitions between gears can be a sign that the transmission fluid is low or the system needs recalibration. Regular fluid changes and software updates can often resolve these issues before they cause major damage. 8. Suspension and steering problems. The Camaro's handling is one of its standout features, thanks to the Alpha platform's advanced suspension setup. However, some owners have reported suspension problems, particularly with the shock absorbers and bushings. These components are prone to premature wear, especially if the car is driven aggressively or on rough roads. Worn-out suspension parts can cause a variety of issues, including poor handling, rattling noises, and uneven tire wear. Additionally, some models have had problems with the steering system, such as power steering failures or stiff steering, which can make the car harder to maneuver. If you hear any unusual noises when turning or experience difficulty steering, it's a good idea to have your suspension and steering systems checked. 7. Braking system issues. The Camaro is known for its impressive performance, but some owners have had problems with the braking system. Common complaints include brake pad wear and premature brake disc failure. Although the Camaro is equipped with performance-oriented braking components, these can wear out faster, especially if the car is used frequently on the track or driven aggressively. Some owners have also reported issues with the electronic parking brake, which can fail to engage or disengage properly. If you hear any unusual noises from the brakes, experience longer stopping distances, or notice inconsistent braking power, it's crucial to inspect the braking system thoroughly to ensure safety and performance are not compromised. 6. Electrical problems. Electrical issues have been a recurring problem in the Chevrolet Camaro Alpha platform. Owners have reported malfunctioning electronic components, such as the infotainment system, dashboard displays, and even the car's lighting system. One common complaint involves the MyLink infotainment system freezing, rebooting randomly, or being unresponsive to touch inputs. Other electrical problems include issues with power windows, faulty sensors, or malfunctioning exterior lights. Electrical problems can be frustrating but are often fixable with software updates or component replacements. If you experience issues with your car's electrical systems, it's important to have the car diagnosed by a professional to avoid bigger, costlier problems down the road. 5. Excessive oil consumption. Several owners of the Chevrolet Camaro equipped with the V8 engine have reported excessive oil consumption, a problem that seems to have been more pronounced in early models. While some oil usage is normal, excessive consumption can indicate a deeper issue, such as worn-out piston rings or valve seals. Owners may notice the oil level dropping more quickly than expected, which can lead to engine damage if not addressed. Regular oil checks and timely oil changes are essential, especially for the high-performance engines in the Camaro. If you notice the oil level dropping at an abnormal rate, it's a good idea to get the engine inspected by a mechanic familiar with Camaro performance engines. 4. Overheating problems. Overheating has been reported as another issue with the Camaro, particularly under heavy driving conditions like on the track. Although the car is designed to handle high-performance situations, some owners have experienced the engine overheating during prolonged periods of hard driving or in high-temperature environments. This can be attributed to issues with the cooling system, such as faulty thermostats, leaks in the radiator, or problems with the coolant pump. Overheating not only reduces the car's performance but can cause long-term engine damage if not dealt with quickly. If your Camaro is running too hot, it's critical to inspect the cooling system and make necessary repairs to prevent more serious engine issues. 3. Interior build quality issues. While the Camaro offers a sleek and sporty interior, some owners have reported problems with the overall build quality. Issues such as rattling panels, peeling trim, or malfunctioning interior electronics have been frequently mentioned, especially in early 6th-gen models. The plastics used in the cabin can degrade or crack over time, and some drivers have found that the seats, despite being designed for comfort, can wear out prematurely. These issues, although cosmetic, can detract from the overall experience of owning a high-performance car. If you notice any loose parts or unusual wear and tear, it's best to address these issues early to maintain the car's interior quality. 2. Tire wear and alignment issues. Another common problem with the Chevrolet Camaro Alpha platform is rapid tire wear. Given the car's performance capabilities and weight distribution, some models may experience uneven tire wear, particularly on the front tires. This is often due to alignment issues, suspension wear, or improper tire pressure. Regularly checking tire pressure and getting wheel alignment performed can help prevent uneven wear. Owners who push the Camaro hard on the track may also experience faster wear on the tires due to the high-performance nature of the car. Ensuring your tires are in good condition and replacing them as needed is key to maintaining optimal handling and safety. 1. Air conditioning and heating problems. Problems with the air conditioning and heating systems are another common issue with the Camaro. Some owners have reported that the AC system fails to blow cold air or that it produces warm air even when set to a lower temperature. Others have faced issues with the climate control system, such as inconsistent airflow or malfunctioning fan speeds. This can be attributed to various factors, including a faulty compressor, refrigerant leaks, or problems with the cabin air filter. If you notice problems with the AC or heating systems, it's important to have the system checked out as soon as possible. Inconsistent climate control can make driving uncomfortable, especially in extreme weather conditions. The Chevrolet Camaro on the Alpha platform offers a thrilling driving experience with modern technology and sharp handling. However, like any performance car, it comes with its own set of potential problems. From engine misfires to suspension wear, electrical issues, and excessive oil consumption, there are a few common problems that owners should be aware of. Regular maintenance and early detection of these issues can help ensure that your Camaro continues to perform at its best. If you're considering purchasing a Camaro or already own one, it's essential to keep an eye on these potential issues to prevent costly repairs down the line. Have you experienced any of these problems with your Camaro? Drop a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed car insights and breakdowns. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and thanks for watching.